Okay, so she said, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as you know, it's Epic Tours, where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work from home. Alright, so today I'm doing this video just to sort of show what happened to your nose. Right, just to show this is my first staycation with her. So we are here at Lashings Beach Club. So I'm going to do a video of Lashings Beach Club different from the staycation. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Bless you.
So I'm going to give you a minute or two to subscribe. Hey guys, so just bear with this video. It might be a little bit dark because I just came in and it's night. But this is Lashings Beach Club. Don't mind that little one there. But we are here. We're going to spend 2 nights just to get a feel. You guys saw the first review. So this is the bedroom. As I come in, this is it. And then, there are some books at the bottom, but I had just put my stuff there because you guys know I have to travel with like 50 pieces of luggage because of Araya. But it's my first trip with her, so that's good. Can I see your stone, please? You're not showing mommy the stone?
No.
Why not? It's not nice.
No, turn it.
That's not very nice, baby. So guys, we just got some quick stuff to munch on since we just got in. It's like almost 8 something, so it's like some wings, some spring rolls, and some more wings for Boo Boo. Barbecue wings. See, she opened the fork. Yeah, so this girl behaving like in her place. We're going that way, Mom. Come. Yeah, come. So guys, she's afraid of the water. Look. Come, miss. Come. Look when it's catching.